In this video, we're going to be combining like terms. Now, when you combine like terms, you're only adding the coefficients. The coefficient is the number that is being multiplied by the variable. For instance, we have 5x. 5 is a coefficient because it is a number. And then x is the variable. For instance, we have 8b minus 6b. So when you subtract the 2, you get 2b. And you are allowed to subtract the 2 because both coefficients are being multiplied by the same variable. So therefore, you can combine those terms, which they're referred to as like terms, and you get 2b. So for our next problem, we have negative 3c plus 9c minus 8. Now, you have two coefficients being multiplied by the same variable, which is c. So you can combine both of those terms by subtracting negative 3c and 9c. So when you do that, you get 6c, keeping the sign of the greater number, minus 8, because you cannot do anything with 8. It does not have the same variable as negative 3 and 9. So therefore, you're left with 6c minus 8. Our next expression gives us 10q plus, in parentheses, negative 5 plus 8z plus 3. Now, starting with 10q, we see that there is no other coefficient multiplied by q in the expression. So therefore, we just have 10q. Now, let's take a look at 8z. There is no other z in the expression, so therefore we just have 8z. And now all we have left to look at are negative 5 and positive 3. Just combine those terms by setting them up as negative 5 plus 3, which will give you negative 2 because you're keeping the sign of the greater number, which is negative 5. So now you're left with 10q plus 8z minus 2. For this next problem, we have a minus 2a. So whenever you see a variable alone, it basically has a 1 in front of it. So then when we combine these two terms, you get negative a. Next, we have 15b plus 3b. Both of these coefficients are being multiplied by the same variable, so therefore you just add it, and you get 15b plus 3b equals 18b. Here we have 25k minus 8k. So we have two negatives side by side, two negatives make a positive. So now you have 33k.